Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to place your Samsung TV into maintenance mode. Now of course this is a Samsung Tizen TV, which is the latest operating system. So let's say for example you're going to send in your TV for repair, and of course on your TV you have stuff such as Netflix signed in, you have YouTube and all kind of stuff that has your personal data and your accounts. Now, the last thing you would want is for those personal stuff to be accessed. So I'm going to show you how to place your TV into maintenance mode. So you're going to first go over to settings menu. You're going to go here. Then you're going to go to all settings, which is select the first option that's seen there, the gear icon. So you're going to select, it's going to bring you here. Now, in order to access maintenance mode, go down to support. Then you're going to go over and you're going to see maintenance mode. Note, if you request a repair due to a problem with your product, you can hide your information. So that's what maintenance mode does. Here you go. So from here, it says maintenance mode. So it says maintenance mode and it gives you the breakdown. All right, so now maintenance mode gives you two options. Now, number one, if you connect a USB flash drive, that can be connected at the back of the TV to the USB ports that are there. And of course, these ports will become active. You can hit back up data. And what's going to happen is going to back up all your data just in case the repair process causes you to lose data. It is not absolutely necessary, but of course, it's always a good idea to back up your data. And of course, later on, when you get back your TV, you can always, if your data is lost, because sometimes they'll need to restore the TV or to reset it. So you'll have to place the flash drive back in and hit restore data from this menu. All right, so it gives you the both options. It's straightforward. And of course, the backup is done by the system. Now, of course, to get it into maintenance mode, you're going to go ahead here and you're going to hit it's going to actually tell you or show you here that the TV is going to be placed in a basic mode. You'll lose most functionality, but of course it will allow for repair. So we're going to hit start, and of course it will verify the pin. And the pin here is to make sure that no one can actually mess around with the TV. And of course, this is the security measure. Now, my TV is locked with a pin. So the pin itself here would be, it's asking you to create a pin. Now, simply put, the maintenance pin is different from your normal pin. So I've actually have a pin in my TV already. So it's not speaking of that pin if you want to use but the same pin again. However, it's asking you to set a specific pin for the repair mode. I'm going to use 4 zeros. It's up to you what you want to use. Notice it asks you to enter it again. So this is a new pin specific to it's a specific pin specific to the sorry about that, specific to you. So I recommend that you use a secure number. You wanna probably note that somewhere hidden. I'm gonna hit OK. There you go. It says rebooting now. So what's gonna happen is that the TV is gonna now enter maintenance mode. And as I said before, if you do not really care about losing the data on the TV, you can always skip the backup process. All right, so here it goes. It's booting. You can see the Tizen logo. All right. So here we go. So now it's in maintenance mode. All right, here we go. So it says HDMI cable disconnected, and that's for video. And there we go. All right, so it's giving you basic functionality. Now check this out, guys. Notice it says maintenance mode at the top. And of course, in terms of maintenance mode, it says exit maintenance mode, press the home button to exit. Now, do note, guys, you can do basic stuff here. So let's go around. You'll know you're in maintenance mode because it clears it, sets it at the top of the TV. It gives you TV functionality. So the person who's doing the repair they'll be able to do stuff. They can go over here and hit exit. And of course, you can go to all settings. Let me show you around the settings pretty quickly. So you notice there's no shortcuts, and here we go. So whoever is doing the repair will have access to the main menus, and that is necessary in case they need to adjust anything related to settings. And of course, you notice we're in maintenance mode. So maintenance mode is grayed out. And of course, the setup is quite easy to understand. All right, so let's say you get back your TV and it's in maintenance mode. The person who is working on TV will not be able to exit the mode because of the fact that you have locked it. So here again, I'm gonna hit home, and here it says press the home button to exit. Now, of course, all I gotta do here is press the home button. Now you might miss this because it says press to exit. But what it means is that when you press here, you'll have an exit option right here. So if I hit exit, there you go. It will now ask for the pin. And if you remember from earlier, my pin is 4 zeros. So of course, to exit, you need to press to enter the pin that you had set, which is the pin specifically from maintenance mode. So it will be 4 zeros. As soon as you enter the 4 zeros, it will exit. Don't think I need to show you that. It will return to normal mode, and that's how you exit. All right, so hope you enjoy this tutorial and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.